Alright, today I want to talk to you about these K&N oil filters. This is the Performance Gold. It's an HP 2004. It is the special wrench off version, which just makes it convenient. It's super cool. It's got a 1-inch nut on the top of it, so you can put a 1-inch wrench on it or just a crescent wrench on it. It's heavy duty, it's steel, it's made in America. Remember, when you're changing your oil, to put a little bit of oil on this, before you put it on, put a little bit of oil in here too. It helps kind of prime it. Another thing that's really cool about this is it's got a pre-drilled hole. If you're in an application like, I know they do this on airplanes, but even if you had a race buggy or you didn't want this thing to vibrate off, you could put a wire through it and wrench it down to another bolt on your Jeep or something like that. But these also fit hundreds of different cars. So in fact, I'm sitting here in front of my dirty old Jeep. I've had this Jeep for 20 plus years and I've replaced a lot of these filters, and I just love them and stand by them. So if you're on the fence, made in America, spend a little bit extra money and really rely on the K&N. I've used them and loved them.